Liquibase is an open-source database independent library for tracking, managing and applying database schema changes. It was started in 2006 to allow easier tracking of database changes, especially in an Agile software development environment. Overview. All changes to the database are stored in text files, XML, YAML, JSON or SQL, and identified by a combination of an ID, an author tag as well as the name of the file itself. A list of all applied changes is stored in each database, which is consulted on all database updates to determine what new changes need to be applied. As a result, there is no database version number, but this approach allows it to work in environments with multiple developers and code branches. Liquibase automatically creates database changelog table and database changelog lock table when you first execute a changelog file. Major functionality. Over 30 built-in database refactorings. Extensibility to create custom changes. Update database to current version. Rollback last X changes to database. Rollback database changes to particular date time. Rollback database to tag. SQL for database updates and rollbacks can be saved for manual review. Standalone IDE and Eclipse plugin. Contexts for including-excluding change sets to execute. Database diff report. Database diff changelog generation. Ability to create changelog to generate an existing database. Database change documentation generation. DBMS check, user check, and SQL check preconditions. Ability to split changelog into multiple files for easier management. Executable via command line, Apache Ant, Apache Maven, Servlet Container, or Spring Framework. Support for 10 database systems. Commercial version. Datacl is both the largest contributor to the Liquibase project and the developer of DataclDB, a commercial product which provides the core Liquibase functionality plus additional features to remove complexity, simplify deployment and bridge the gap between development and operations. DataclDB was created to satisfy the application schema management requirements of large enterprises as they move from continuous integration to continuous delivery. Change forecasting. Forecast upcoming changes to be executed before they are run to determine how those changes will impact your data. Rules engine to enforce corporate standards and policies. Supports database stored logic, functions, stored procedures, packages, table spaces, triggers, sequences, user-defined types, synonyms, etc. Compare databases enables you to compare two database schemas to identify change and easily move it to your changelog. Change set wizard to easily define and capture database changes in a database-neutral manner. Deployment plan wizard for modeling and managing your logical deployment workflow. Plugins to Jenkins, Bamboo, Urban Code California Release Automation, Nolio, Serena Release Automation, BMC BloodLogic, Puppet, Chef, as well all popular source control systems like SVN, Git, TFS, CVS, Datacldb is used by DBAs, release managers, DevOps teams, application owners, architects, and developers involved in the application release process. It manages database schema changes together with application code in a programmatic fashion that eliminates errors and delays and enables rapid Agile releases. DataclDB builds upon the Liquibase data model approach for managing data structure-specific content across application versions as they advance from development to test to production environments. Datacl previews the impact of schema changes in any environment before deployment, thus mitigating risk and resulting in smoother and faster application changes. Liquibase developer Nathan Voxland is an executive at Datacl. Sample Liquibase changelog file. Related tools. Flyway. References. External links. Official website. Datacl, commercial version for enterprises.